Our AVL iGEM 2 for brake testing solution offers a range of features designed to streamline your workflow and enhance efficiency. First, our easy pretest configuration simplifies setup with intuitive pretest settings and smart drop-down menu options, for example, to select the test cycle. For additional user guidance, we provide clear step-by-step instructions to ensure smooth operation. During test execution, you can rely on seamless and accurate test runs. The system includes a status tree and device status center to keep you informed throughout the whole test procedure. Our solution supports automated unmanned tests, allowing you to conduct tests autonomously through advanced automation. Finally, our transparent reporting and legislation-conform calculations ensure you receive clear and comprehensive reports for informed decision-making. Each report ensures compliance through validated calculations and suits various requirements. With these features, our brake testing solution empowers you to achieve precise and reliable results, ensuring your testing process is efficient and effective. Rely on our advanced technology to enhance your testing process.